Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the channel where we talk bikes, upgrades, gear, and everything that keeps your ride running smooth and looking sharp. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the vibe. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Honda CBR600RR and breaking down the spare parts and riding gear you'll want to keep this machine performing at its best, along with estimated prices so you can plan your upgrades and maintenance without guessing. The 2026 CBR600RR continues the legacy of being one of Honda's most responsive and rider-focused middleweight sport bikes, so let's start with the essential spare parts every owner should know about. First up, the OEM front brake pads are one of the most frequently replaced components, especially if you ride aggressively or hit the track often. And for the 2026 model you're looking at around $120 to $150 per set depending on where you buy them. The rear brake pads come in slightly cheaper at around $80 to $110, but don't underestimate how much smoother the bike feels when both ends are freshly replaced. Moving to the chain and sprocket kit, which is a major wear item, a full OEM or quality aftermarket 520 kit usually lands between $250 and $350, and upgrading to a lightweight steel or aluminum rear sprocket can add a bit of snap to the throttle response. The air filter is another important maintenance piece, and while the OEM filter averages around $35 to $50, many riders choose a performance filter like K&N or BMC, which typically runs $70 to $110 and is reusable, making it cheaper long term. Now let's talk oil filters, since you'll be going through several per year depending on how often you ride. And for the 2026 model these cost about $12 to $20 for OEM and $15 to $25 for premium aftermarket options. Spark plugs for the 600RR are Iridium type and you'll need 4 of them, usually costing $12 to $18 each, meaning a full set runs close to $50 to $70. If you ever need fairing panels, which is unfortunately common after a tip over, scraped OEM fairings can be pricey. Expect around $250 to $450 for a single side panel and $350 to $600 for the front cowl, so many riders switch to aftermarket ABS kits that range from $600 to $900 for the entire set. Mirrors for the 2026 CBR600RR run around $40 to $80 each for OEM, while sleek foldable aftermarket mirrors cost $50 to $120. The windscreen is another easy upgrade, with OEM screens around $70 to $110 and tinted or double bubble aftermarket versions costing about $60 to $90. Now let's go into performance-related components. A quality slip-on exhaust is one of the most popular upgrades, and for 2026 models you'll find brands like Akrapovic, Yoshimura, and Two Brothers offering options from $550 to $1,200. With full systems easily reaching $1,500 to $2,300 but delivering noticeable weight savings and throttle response. The EQ tune for this bike varies, with flash services typically costing $250 to $400, and full dyno tuning ranging from $350 to $600 depending on your location. Suspension components are also worth mentioning because the 600RR thrives when properly dialed in. Upgraded fork springs cost around $150 to $220, while a full aftermarket shock like an Öhlins or KYB ranges from $900 to $1,400 and makes a huge difference on both track and street. Now let's shift to riding gear, since staying protected is just as important as keeping the bike maintained. A high-quality full-face helmet from brands like Shoei, Arai, or AGV typically runs $450 to $900 for mid-range models and $900 to $1,600 for premium or race-spec helmets. A good riding jacket designed for sport bikes usually ranges from $180 to $450. For textile and $350 to $650 for leather, with airbag-equipped jackets landing closer to $800 to $1,200. Riding gloves depend on whether you choose street or track-focused options, with solid mid-range gloves costing $60 to $120 and full gauntlet race gloves going from $150 to $300. Boots are another must for CBR riders, and you can expect around $150 to $250 for daily riding boots and $300 to $550 for proper race boots with reinforced protection. Riding pants are a full leather suit or ideal for higher speed riding, and textile pants run around $120 to $220, while a full one-piece leather suit hits between $700 and $1,500 depending on brand and features. Don't forget about protective add-ons like frame sliders, which help prevent expensive fairing damage and usually cost $60 to $120, or bar end sliders at around $25 to $40. Radiator guards, another smart investment, run $60 to $150 and can save you from ruinous repair bills if debris hits your radiator. If you want to upgrade your lighting, LED turn signals cost around $40 to $90 per set, and an integrated LED tail light runs about $80 to $140. A lithium-ion battery, which is lighter and longer lasting than standard batteries, ranges from $120 to $180, and a battery tender costs around $35 to $60 to keep it charged. A quality paddock stand for maintenance is around $70 to $120 for a rear stand and $100 to $150 for a front stand, letting you handle your chain cleaning, wheel removal, and brake servicing with ease. And if you're the type of rider who likes tech accessories, you can add a GPS lap timer for around $150 to $350 or a phone mount for $30 to $70. So that wraps up the rundown of spare parts, upgrades, and riding gear for the 2026 Honda CBR600RR, giving you a full picture of the maintenance and accessory costs that come with owning a high-performance middleweight machine. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Bike Vibe, and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and as always keep riding safe and keep the vibe alive.